guys! Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Skin Time TV with Ashley Sutton. In this week's episode, I'll be showing you how I use my Jade roller and Gua Sha tools. These tools may seem new to you, but they're age-old secrets. So I've already started my daily facial routine, and I'm at the step where I apply my serum. I swear by vitamin C serum because it brings out my skin's natural glow, so I'm just patting that into my face and neck lightly, just enough to spread it and not rub it in. Next, I'll use my Jade roller. So you can use this as is, or you can keep it frozen. I like to freeze mine because not only does it wake my skin up, but the cool temperature helps reduce swelling and puffiness under my eyes, and as you can see, I really need that in the AM. So the science behind using both the Jade roller and the Gua Sha tools is to work against gravity. So you'll always want to apply pressure on every upward stroke or outward stroke. So don't mind my random jam session moments. I'm listening to music during this routine. So back to the Jade roller. I'll use this for about 2 to 4 minutes or until all of the serum is rubbed in. I'll start on my cheeks and I'll apply pressure from the bottom of my jaws to above my cheekbones. I'll move on to my forehead and apply pressure from the center of the forehead to the outside of the forehead, and again from the brow line towards the hairline. Finally, with the wider side, before going through my face again, I'll apply pressure from the bottom of my chin to right under my nose. With the smaller end, I'll move on to my nose. This is the only time that I don't go against gravity, and I'll actually apply pressure from the top of my nose towards the bottom of my nose. Finally, I'll use the tool under my eyes to smooth out my bags, applying pressure from the inside towards the outside. Next, I'll use my frozen Gua Sha. So this tool has 4 different sides designed to use for each type of contour on the face, so you can use it as your face needs. I'll want to start from the very bottom of my neck and move towards the top of my forehead. So for this section, I'll start at the bottom of my neck and apply pressure upwards towards the jawline. I apply a little bit more pressure with my Gua Sha tool than I'll do with my Jade roller. I'll use a bowed side on my cheeks to apply pressure from the inside towards the outside. I'll move to my forehead using the shorter bowed side to apply pressure from the middle of my forehead towards the outside of my forehead or towards my hairline. So next I'll use the side with 2 humps under my eyes to smoothen out those bags and reduce any swelling. I'll press and hold, and then I'll apply pressure going outward. So at this point, if you're using it right, you'll notice that your face has gotten like a mini little facelift, and it's pretty neat. I'll use the same side to apply pressure down my nose. So if you're curious about more benefits of the Jade roller and the Gua Sha and its uses, definitely check into my Flawless Weekly Skincare Routine video. I lay it all out there. But this is pretty much it. I'll finish my daily routine, of course, with oil and moisturizer, but as far as the tools, this is exactly how I use them. I hope that this helped you better understand how to use your Gua Sha and Jade roller tools. Please let me know if it did or didn't. And if you don't already use one, I hope that this definitely helped to inspire you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye!